How to find and save effects on Instagram. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up the Instagram app on your device. Now you want to head over to your profile and from here tap on the plus icon at the top of your screen. From here you want to tap on Story. Now here you want to swipe until you find this icon right here. Now tap on Browse Effects. Now from here you can swipe and check out different categories, and if you tap on any one of them you can check out the effects from here as well. Now another way to find effects is to tap on this search icon, and from here you can search the effects as well. Once you have found the effect that you want to use, simply tap on it. And now you can tap on this icon right here to save it, or you can open this up, select any one of the videos. From here, tap on Use Effect. Then you can tap on the effect name, and from here, tap on Save Effect option. And this is how you can find and save effects on Instagram. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.